I can tell you straight up, support and feeling like you belong to a team, it's massively important when you join Save Club. If you're going to join by yourself and try to figure things out, that's fine, but I so recommend that you join a team. I want you to join the team that I'm with and what I can bring to the table, besides just a lot of yellow and a lot of pouring ice cold drinks so I can enjoy this fine Thursday afternoon with you guys. Right now it's 90 degrees outside. That's why my face looks like barbecue sauce. So let's hear it for barbecue sauce faced Draper. That's me. All right, had a good day. I've had a lot of signups with my funnel system. God, I think I got 2 signups or 3. I actually am having someone sign up right now in Save Club. Her name is Kenna. All right, so welcome. I'm going to send this video to you, Kenna. Kenna joined some other opportunities that, in my opinion, they're good. They've made their millions, but they've been around a long time. And in my opinion, they're not really burned out. They're just at ease. They're kind of like a big cruise ship. They're out in the middle of the ocean. They have plenty of snacks and food and a lot of cool stuff, but the ship ain't going nowhere. People that have joined, they're just kind of in that company. And most of the people that are successful in any online business, especially when they're 10, 20, 30, or 40 years old, the downlines have already been made 10, 20, 30 years ago. And all the worker bees, that means you, if you're signing up in a business that's old, kind of long in the tooth, like your boy here with the Santa beard, it's hard to make that fire just burn and get people to join, because their mom and dad and their mom and dad, your grandparents, have probably known about that opportunity, and it's burned out. With Save Club, we have not said ready, set, go yet. We still have 2 more days. So if you're watching this live, June 1st, 2025 is our ready, set, let's get our asses going. Let's go to the hoedown. Let's do some break dancing. Let's do some crazy, freaky, weird stuff. And that's June 1st. And if you're watching this video in my future, maybe it's a month or 2 after June 1st, or maybe it's a year or so or more, Save Club is going to be okay. You save on things you're already buying or going to buy. For $19.97, you got $20. You're probably, in my opinion, disclaimer, boom, boom, there's my quotation marks. You're probably going to save $100 or so. Look, there's a $100 bill. Look at how easy that is. I still smell money, even though this is probably, I can't even imagine what's been on this 100 or even 20s. Do you think like 520s is even cooler? Cash is just so awesome, isn't it? Like when you have cash in your face, it just seems more real than like a debit card or cryptocurrency. It's like an album. You can open up the album and read the liner notes and maybe the lyrics and have pictures. Now an MP3 or an MP4, even a movie, isn't as cool as like a DVD or even the old VCR. Boy, those poor VCR machines. But oh my God, $100 or even 20. Do you have a 20? Oh man, I know you do. And if you have 3 more, for a total of $80, you can join. That's it. $60. For the next year, you're good to go. You're bought. Boom. Paid in full. Badass website. Beautiful capture page. Now, if you want to accessorize a little bit, it's like buying a badass muscle car, like let's say a Corvette, but you want to change the wheels, tint the windows a little bit, maybe add a stereo or an exhaust or something. It's where a couple more bucks comes into play. So what I recommend is get the $60 and become an affiliate, the 20 to be a member. So there's 80. Get another 20, 25 to be exact, and get the funnel system. Okay, so I owe my hand 5 more bucks. And you know what? For about $22, get business cards. So right now, 5 plus 7, I owe this $7 more. Business cards. Oh my gosh, right on. Get yourself, how about the funnel? Get yourself the website and the capture page. And how about a custom domain? Like I bought ilovesaveclub.com. I own saveclubfunnels.com. It was only $12. That's all it was. $12 at GoDaddy. And I almost sell 7. So 12 plus 7 is almost 20. So look at that. 1, 2, 3. $60 I'm an affiliate. Another 20, I'm a member. Boom. I have a custom domain. I have some business cards. And that other 20, oh my gosh, what is it for? Do you guys remember? Business cards, custom domain. You want to join the funnel. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $140. Now, if you want to buy, oh, I don't know, a puppy, that could be a lot more. Maybe you could buy some glasses at Walmart for $9. But I'll tell you what, if you've got like $140, custom domain that will forward to your own capture page, you'll have the funnel, you'll be in Save Club as an affiliate, you'll have that extra 20 to be a member, of course. Oh, boy, that's a lot for 140. I think you have it. If you're watching me, you probably have a couple bucks saved up. After you join, I'm going to send you a nice email. And I want you to copy what I do when it comes down to emailing or inbox on Facebook. Or it could be generating some movies, producing movies similar. Well, I guess these are videos where I just talk into my webcam a little bit. We have live Zooms Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Our team even has other ones than the company ones. We have 2 Facebook group pages where you just join and you're going to meet people worldwide. But you've got a lot of support, all right? So this video I made for you, Kenna, because I know you're joining right now. I can hear my cell phone beeping in the background. But McKenna, welcome aboard. And yes, of course we're going to help you. Because your main concern was, can you help me a little bit? I need some traction. I need to get some action. And I want support if I need some help. Yes, definitely. Because to be honest, if you make money, I make money. And I'm pretty darn good at this. I'm number 7 in the world right now. I want all my extra money to trickle down to my downline. I want my team to kick ass, and you know what? We already are. So welcome aboard for those people that have already joined. But all you got to do is just look at my screen, saveclubfunnels.com, or go to ilovesaveclub.com. The statistics are there. It looks like I've had 5 people pre-enroll. Well, look at that. It looks like I have 6 people that have pre-enrolled. And you know what, Kenna? It looks like you just joined. So I'm going to send you a nice email. I wanted to say welcome because I knew you were signing up. I hurried and put my webcam on, and I made this video just for you. So welcome, Kenna. I'm going to send you a nice email and tell you everything I do. I'm going to invite you to the Facebook, our groups, and I just want you to relax a little bit, breathe, and let's have some fun with this. Save Club will save you money. It's going to save a lot of your friends and people out there money. And let's earn you some money too. Okay there, kiddo? All right. Well, I don't have a big audience right here, but I'm clapping for you. So welcome, Kenna. I'm excited. Looks like you have a nice family too. I just saw your Facebook. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video like this. Here's both my links, ilovesaveclub.com and Save Club Funnels. Go to both of those links and watch the videos and see how I'm able to sign up. Well, I've hit about 45 people that have joined the funnel. And I've had, I think, 15, 16, 17 people just sign up in the last 10 days in my Save Club business. All right. So thanks again, guys. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. We'll talk to you soon.